Fellow South Africans, listen carefully. Last week, the president of March and March, Her Excellency Jacinta Mangobese Zuma, announced a number of exciting initiatives that this movement is bringing to life. Among them is the South Africa First Forum, a structure envisioned as a Black South African equivalent of AfriForum. And let me tell you something. This announcement has captured the imagination of millions of Black South Africans. People are excited, hopeful, and are saying, finally, we are building something for ourselves. And I understand that excitement. For many Black South Africans, South Africa First Forum represents more than just another organization. It represents the possibility of a new chapter, a moment of self-discovery, self-organization, and the realization of a vacuum that needs to be filled. If properly established, properly structured, and properly managed, the potential is enormous. But brothers and sisters, whenever something captivates the interest of millions, there will always be opposition in the form of white racists eager to sabotage and destroy it by perpetuating propaganda about it. Insurgents in the form of mentally colonized Black people will criticize it. The ANC government will resist and try their utmost best to undermine it. Captured mainstream media will demonize it. There will also be criminals waiting to exploit our excitement and enthusiasm. Already, fake Jacinta accounts are popping up across all social media platforms, pretending to speak on behalf of the movement and circulating false updates. And don't be fooled. These scammers are clever. Their posts can look authentic. Their language can sound convincing. They use photographs, logos, names, and terminology that make you believe you are dealing with a real organization. These are images of similar accounts and posts. And the next step will be fake websites, fake registration forms, fake membership fees, and fake banking details. They may even ask you for as little as 10 rand. And you may think, it's only 10 rand. But imagine 1 million people paying 10 rand each. That's 10 million rand. And suddenly, what looked like a harmless contribution becomes a multi-million rand scam. So I am basically saying to every South African, do not let your excitement make you careless. Do not register anywhere. Do not give out your personal information. Do not send money to anyone. Do not pay membership fees. Do not click suspicious links. And above all, do not trust anyone simply because they use Jacinta's name or photograph. Wait for the official announcement. Wait for the official launch. Wait for confirmation directly from Jacinta and the official March and March communication channels. Because when something this significant is born, there will be people who want to destroy it, people who want to undermine it, and criminals who simply want to steal from you. Don't give them the opportunity. Protect yourself, protect your money, and protect the movement. South Africa First Forum must begin with South Africa first. And that means South Africans first. But also,